Hi students, now we shall see how to enroll for CA Foundation examination. You can go to www.ica.org or you can go for e-service portal directly and you'll see the form like this. See, if you have already generated your user ID, you can give that. Else you have to register again if you are new user. See, you have to fill these details to get registered. So your salutation, your first name. So type your first name. If there is middle name, you can type else. If you have only initial, you just type your initial there. So gender detail, and then ensure that if you have two initial, there must be space between the two. And then type your date of birth, date, month and year. And then give your correct mail ID. So mail ID and mobile number is must. Please ensure that you will give correct email ID and mobile number because OTP will be generated only through email and mobile number. So please ensure that you will give correct details. Check twice before going to next step and then type your country name and then nationality and then you just give generate OTP. Okay. And then OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number and email ID. So before that you have to type the image that appear in the screen. And then after typing it, you just give submit and then OTP will be asked. See, you have to type the OTP here, which appear in your mobile as well as in your email ID. It is sent by ICAI. And then click OK and then next form will be opened. It's very easy step, you need not worry at all. So you just give OK. You just read all the instructions given in the screen. So you can easily write those details. It takes some time so please wait patiently. So you just give student circle. So apply for foundation as we are going to apply for foundation in examination. So and then you will get a form like this. See, in this form everything is unfilled, right? So you have to fill it and in some form it appears automatically. You need not fill anything. Sometimes automatically it is auto-filled as you have gave details before. So if you give your name and your date of birth, sometimes auto-filling option will be available. Yes. See, everything is filled what you have given in the last screen and you have to type what all details is missed like father's name, mother's name, guardian name, then Aadhaar number, PAN card number, passport number, blood group, everything what all details you have, you just type in that. And then are you a staff ward? There will be one question, you just give no, it is compulsory option. So and then you have to give your correct correspondent address. It is very must. So it is must. So give correct address because your books will be sent through registered post from New Delhi. So kindly give correct address. Give correct street name, door name. So everything must be correct. So correct pin code. Ensure that you are giving correct address because it comes from New Delhi. So ensure that everything is correct. So correct state code, district, everything, pin code is must. So just fill those details. Pay full attention before filling the form because if you make some mistakes, it cannot be rectified. Once you submit the form, you cannot correct it. So fill the form with full attention. See, you have to give the state code and then district and your city name. And then you have to give your pin code, correct pin code. So you just give yes. If that is a permanent address, else you can give your address, permanent address. It's not an issue. So give your caste details, nationality, country, everything you have to give. Then give your annual income of parents. Just to give approximately. It is nothing. So you need not worry about that. You give just to give approximate amount annual income. Then if you have missed something, after clicking the submit form, you'll get an pop-up menu. You just give your fill those details also, and then you have to click save and exit. After saving the form, the second step will be qualification detail. See, you receive the form like this. Here you have to fill. Before filling the form, ensure that you have a 10th 12th mark sheet with you, so that you can give those details here. So your 10th roll number. So in which board you have studied, central board or state board, like that. If you are state board, you just give Tamil Nadu board of secondary education, then in year of examination which you have passed. So March 2008, like that, you have to give those details also. Then you have to give your marks. Automatically percentage will be calculated, and then give click here to upload. So ensure that you have all the details, scanned copy of those documents which I have said earlier. So please scan the copy with the KBs I have mentioned before, because if you give more KB of file, it cannot be uploaded. So you just ensure that. And then, so please give correct roll number. If you miss something, definitely your application will be rejected. So please pay full attention while filling the form. And then you give your year of passing, completing your class 12 examination. And then as usual, you have to give your maximum and your marks you have obtained. And then as usual, you have to upload your 12th mark sheet which you have scanned copy. So scan it with the KB I have mentioned in the file. So if it is more than that, it cannot be uploaded. If it is very less KB of file, the form clarity will be very less. So it also creates issue. So ensure that also. And then just upload it and give close. See, now your form 11th and 10th and 12th mark sheet is uploaded, and there is an option whether it is provisional registration or not. You just give no. It is not provisional because you have completed class 12, so it is not provisional registration. And then you just give your medium. That's all. You need not worry about anything else. You just medium of study material you require. That is, as usual, we have to give English, not Hindi, because there are two mode of study materials. One thing is Hindi and another one is English. So for us it is English, so give that. After that, in this form you can see so many forms to be uploaded. That is your photocopy, a passport size photo, and your signature, and your TC. If you have TC, you just upload it also, else you just give your 12th mark sheet there. If your TC is not available, you just give your say upload your 12th mark sheet. That's all. You need not worry about that. So just give generate OTP. So while filling the form, you have to pay full attention. Ensure that everything is correct, because it is not possible to rectify the errors which you have uploaded. Next, you just give submit. After typing, those details appear in the screen, and you'll get another OTP. So you see that you'll receive 2 OTPs in mobile as well as in email. So give OTP and give OK. And then next step is proceeded. That is payment session. That's all. Your personal details, qualification details are uploaded. So last step is your payment details. So see, 9,200 amount to be paid. It may be through Paytm, EMI, or so EMI is not advisable. You just give in a debit card or credit card. You just use debit card, credit card, or net banking, like that. So give your card number. I think all of you know how to do net banking or use debit card. So just give those details, and then again one OTP will be received from bank. So after that, The payment is as soon as payment gets completed, your registration process is over. That's all. You will get this APP number, application number, everything. So you have to save it.